Today I'm going to talk about how to find out average of your expected output. And first of all, I need this bottom line to total average of product, product price. Yeah. And now the average is there equal to, you write this average a. You find out on suggestion there numerical average value in dataset ignoring text. Click this and select the cell you want to total, and that was a laptop, Xbox, bicycle, computer and mobile. And you also see that there is a 38 point something, that was average, which is already alive, and you know didn't you just click the enter. There is the average of product sales. This is so. Subscribe or like this video if you are beneficial with this